Welcome to Melbear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'll show you how to make this very cool Beetlejuice inspired glow lava lamp tumbler. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Alright, so today I'm going to make another lava lamp tumbler, but this one's going to be a Beetlejuice theme. And I was asked by one of the viewers if you could dye the baby oil into a mica glow tumbler, so that's what we're going to do today. So for this project, we're going to need glow powder, and I'm going to use these three colors, blue, green, green, and olive. You're also going to need vegetable glycerin. You're going to need baby oil, and you're going to need a hollow wall tumbler. I have already drilled this one out. If you need help drilling out tumblers, refer to one of my other snow globe tumbler videos. Most of them have info on drilling out tumblers. So what we're going to start with is dyeing up the baby oil. So what we want to do, we're going to do this baby oil in purple, and you need an oil-based food coloring. I'll link them in the description. This one is violet, and we're going to mix that with 30 ml of the not the vegetable glycerin. We're going to mix this with the baby oil. So we're going to do 3 drops of this. And then we're going to add our baby oil. And I usually fill these Dollar Tree squeeze bottles about halfway, and that's usually enough to fill the tumbler, but depends how much liquid your tumbler holds. Just keep filling it until it's full. And if you have to mix up more baby oil, it's not the end of the world. Just keep adding the color until it is the color you want. It's not quite dark enough for my liking, so I'm going to add a little more. And we're going to add a bit more baby oil because I don't think I kept quite enough to fill that. And that's the color we've got, and then we're going to mix up our glow powder. And I'm going to put in 30 ml of the vegetable glycerin and probably about, let's see here, probably about 2.5 ml of each of the glow powder. And if you want it to glow more, add more glow powder. If it's not enough for your liking, it's not set rules, just do what makes you happy. If you want it to glow more, add more glow powder. Oh, we're also going to need for this, and I almost forgot, we're going to need some green food coloring. So I'm going to put in 2 drops of green food coloring and then add the vegetable glycerin. We're going to make this 30 mils. And then we're going to mix that up. And we're going to add some more green food coloring because it's not quite dark enough. I want it to be fairly dark. Perfect. And now we're going to add this to the tumbler. Now to add this to the tumbler, I put the mixture into a squeeze bottle. Make sure we get all the glow powder out of the bottom. The glow powder does settle a little, so just be aware of that, because it is a mica powder and it is heavier than the vegetable glycerin. All right, and we're going to add this to the tumbler. All right, we've got our glow powder into our tumbler, our glow powder mixture. Now we're going to add the dyed baby oil. So, and I'll be back after that is in the tumbler. All right, so we've got our baby oil and our powder into the tumbler, and you can see how cool that already looks. So I'm going to seal this tumbler. I'm going to wipe the top with baby oil, use a Gorilla Glue dot, and then seal it with my UV resin, and then we'll be back to see what the tumbler looks like. All right, so here is our glowing Beetlejuice tumbler. Looks pretty neat. And then we're going to go and see what it looks like in the dark. And here is the tumbler in the dark. And of course you can't see the dyed baby oil in the dark, but still looks pretty awesome. And I really hope you've enjoyed this Beetlejuice inspired dyed baby oil lava lamp tumbler. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. If you enjoy the content, please give me a thumbs up. It does help my videos to get noticed. Thanks so much for watching.